I'm meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link. I want to show you this sunset down in Newport right now before the sun sets. Actually, the sun already set. We're recording this as of about 7:10 this evening. But still with that reddish glow in the sky. Boy, this is just beautiful. I love this camera. It's one of our many weather cameras we have across the state. Of course, looking off to the west, you see that fiery red sunset. Sunset time now, since the changing of the clocks, of course, is now at 6:48. So yeah, the day is getting longer. And really a beautiful finish to the day. I mean, you look at the high temps today, upper 40s to around 50. So we were getting a little melting this afternoon. You know, the snowpack is very dense. It has a lot of water in it. So the melting process is a slow one, but each day we're melting a little bit. So the general theme here is for seasonably mild afternoons, and then the late nights and early mornings are on the chilly side. But I don't see anything really significant as far as harsh winter weather or bitter cold. In fact, I don't see much in the way of snow this week. In fact, we'll stay snow-free. Seasonable temperatures, meaning, you know, highs are in the mid-40s. At times, we'll see a couple of days with temps in the 50s. Your late nights and early mornings are in the upper 20s to low 30s. Next chance for precipitation would come Friday late in the week, and that would be in the form of rain and not snow. Here's the satellite and radar composite. And, you know, the reason why we have the gorgeous sunset this evening, this little strip of thin clouds right in here, causing that real nice sunset. Snow to our north, upstate New York, northern New England will stay away. So we widen out the view. And you can see, moisture to our south will stay offshore. But what I'm watching with some interest is across the southwest. You see some moisture right in here. This is going to develop into a pretty significant storm and track through the central plains, then the northern plains and Great Lakes. It'll be like blizzard conditions on one side of it, severe weather on the other. It doesn't really have much of an impact here through Thursday, but some of that moisture by Friday will arrive here in the form of some rain. In fact, let me show you the forecast next several days and watch how this thing really starts to evolve. And you can see it right in here. Let me put this into motion and watch this area right here. And you see that storm spinning, and there it is through the northern plains by Thursday morning at 8 a.m. So what will happen is, on the back side of this is going to be a blizzard for the northern plains. Out ahead of it, moisture coming out of the Gulf, producing some severe weather, some severe thunderstorms. We're still dry here in New England. But the storm in this position, what it will do is draw in some very mild temperatures. Let me show you the temperature forecast. Now, this is for Friday. You see that mild air coming up the coast. So by Friday afternoon, we're easily in the mid-50s. And some spots away from the ocean on Friday, we're just waiting for these numbers to populate. Some spots could actually be in the upper 50s to near 60. But with that warm-up on Friday will come some rain showers and not snow. Let's get in real close here. Take a look at the forecast, and we'll kind of walk you through it hour by hour. Really no weather issues for tonight. This is starting at 7 o'clock. And we'll take you through the overnight under mainly clear skies. Temps by 7 o'clock in the morning starting off in the upper 20s. A good deal of sunshine tomorrow. We should recover to low to mid 40s. So seasonally cool and dry. And then by tomorrow evening, 7 o'clock, sun just setting. We're in the lower 30s. And then clear, dry, seasonably chilly later tomorrow night. By 11 o'clock, the temperatures are in the upper 20s. So for this evening, no really big weather issues here. It will be chilly by 11 o'clock. We're down to 35 degrees tomorrow morning at sunrise. Naturally, this time of year at sunrise, it's chilly at 32. And then during the afternoon hours, we should recover nicely to somewhere between 40 and 45. So perhaps a shade cooler than today, but otherwise still pretty nice. All right, 7-day forecast, dry through Thursday, 50 on Thursday. You see that warm up on Friday with some rain showers and fog. Right now, the weekend, not bad. 52 on Saturday, and then a little cooler to colder on Sunday. We'll call it cool. Sunshine and 43, and cold next Monday. That doesn't look like a snowstorm, but rather some snow showers and a temperature on next week on Monday in the upper 30s to around 40. So a fairly quiet week ahead through at least Thursday. Not to say that Friday is a stormy day, but we do have some rain and some fog but not until Friday. So again, the theme here is seasonably mild afternoons and seasonably chilly late nights and early mornings. Another update coming up tonight at 10 o'clock on Fox Providence, and then again on WPRI Channel 12 at 11 o'clock. And meteorologist Michelle Muscatello in early in the morning tomorrow with an updated forecast starting at 4:30 a.m. So that's the latest. Thanks for logging in, and we'll talk to you soon.